Hello, this is Jitin and in today's video I'm going to review ClickView. I will discuss about the price, upsells, pros and cons and give you my personal recommendation that you should buy it or not. Okay, so without any delay, let's move to sales page. Groundbreaking drag and drop email builder gets you 4x more opens, clicks and profit with your autoresponder. Our clients doubled their opens and increased their clicks by 400%. Watch how we helped her. Okay, so they claimed that their clients gets almost 4 times more clicks by the software. Here are some bullet points. Double your clicks, insert conversion boosting elements such as YouTube videos into your emails to rapidly increase click-through rates by up to 300%. Zero writing skills needed, no need for copywriting skills or coding skills. Engage more, engage better. Add clickable personal calls to action and images inside your emails. Build for instant use and results. Make more profit and sales with the all new built-in retargeting features and pre-written emails. Start email marketing agency. Add countdown timers to your emails. Boost your ROI. Retarget on FB and Google's. Retargeting pixels helps you to retarget anyone that opens your emails. Okay, so basically it is a tool of doing email marketing, right? You will get retargeting pixels, Instagram post, YouTube videos, images, call to action buttons, countdown timers, and social media links, etc. to your emails, which can help you to gain more traffics or clicks. Okay, does sound good, but is it work like this? You don't have to worry, I'm here to be honest about this product. I will try to clear your doubts. Is it worthy or not? You should buy it or not. But before it, let's check how does ClickView works. So right now we are in the dashboard of ClickView. Here are few options on sidebar menu. You can see a button new email. From here you can simply select a template to customize. Also you can create your template from scratch. Okay, so let's say Jitin's quick demo. So here you can see there are few templates. You can pick any one as per your requirement and customize it. Let's say e-commerce. So here you can see few more options on the right side panel. You can add elements like text, YouTube, Insta post, countdown. Simply click and drag it. Let's move to the settings. Set time and date from here. You can change size, you can align and also add link from here. Let's back to content. Here you can change the text, camera stow. You can change button attributes, text, font, colors and other things from here. You can change image. Basically you can customize the whole thing by yourself. You can also choose category and add sequences from here. Drag and drop, and obviously you can edit it. So basically whatever element you want to add, you can simply drag and drop it and can change the attributes from setting. Obviously you can simply delete any element by this simple click on the trash icon. So when your email is ready, save it from this button, save email. You can see preview how it will look on desktop, tablets and mobile from these icons, and also publish to MailView directly from here. You will get 2 months free MailView account if you are going to purchase ClickView right now. Okay, and if you are using other responders, then you can download it in any output whichever suits your responder and you are ready to go. So don't worry, I will add full walkthrough of this product at the end of this video, so you will learn how to do it after creating the mail in ClickView. Okay, so other options are support, knowledge base. Before you get started, you can check out step-by-step training tutorials from here, profile and logout. I hope now you have an idea that how ClickView works. That dashboard is quite simple and clean. So with ClickView, you can create email swipes in few minutes without any sort of special skills or knowledge. Or you can say it is an email builder that will help you to build the hidden technology MGML framework emails. You have to just drag and drop the elements, customize them, and you are ready to go. Okay. So ClickView Personals cost you $27, and here you will get 10 done for you templates, 100 done for you emails, 1000 campaigns, and few elements includes preview text, add location, insert image, insert countdown, insert divider, insert spacer, and social links. Okay, ClickView commercial cost you $29, and I recommend commercial over personal because the price difference is quite low, and by spending extra few dollars you will get all these features of ClickView personal. Plus, regarding Pixel, you can add Instagram post, add button, add YouTube video links, and also a special bonus. You will get 2 months mail view engage. But keep in mind that it is available only during the launch week. Okay. According to me, yes, I recommend this tool as it works perfectly fine what it claims, and still if you have any doubts but you want to try it, you can, as it comes with 14 days trial. And in case you don't like ClickView, you can simply drop a message to support Dex and they will refund your money. And also you will get few bonuses absolutely free, which will increase the value and makes this deal a no-brainer. Okay, links are in the description below. Okay, so let's talk about the OTOs. OTO number 1, ClickView Unlimited. It will cost $97. You will get access to create unlimited campaigns. 2 new features will be added. 2000 DFY emails included. 100 additional DFY templates. Unlock additional elements including invoices, banners, testimonials, bonus boxes, and email signature. You will also get all the updates even if they add any new element to ClickView. One extra bonus also includes in this OTO, Overnight List Success Challenge. This is a 3-day challenge which teaches you how to build an email list from scratch. Okay, OTO number 2, SpyView 15K. It will cost $37. Personally, I love this software. It can spy on your competitors' emails, cold leads, and you can set alerts. You can spy Facebook or Google Ads campaigns, and even you can spy on your competitors' funnels. So definitely a very powerful software to grab emails, ads, funnels of your competitor, and at $37 it is a steal deal. Trust me, it is a steal deal. OTO number 3, SpyView agency license. For 100 accounts it will cost $297, and for unlimited accounts it will cost $797. It includes agency website to sell seats into SpyView. You will get built-in reseller portal and you can sell at one time or at monthly price. Okay, OTO number 4, SpyView and ClickView business. It will cost $57 one time. If you purchase SpyView and ClickView commercial, you can start prospecting clients and charging them for providing email marketing and advertising services with this OTO. You will get a DFY professional site with pre-done graphic and content, easy process to collect money via PayPal, DFY client contracts, NDA contracts, and 3x cold emails in this OTO. OTO number 5, MeetView all inclusive. It will cost $197 per year, and if you are going to pay in one go, it will cost $397. MeetView is one of the most preferred webinar platform which includes live webinars, hybrid webinars, video meetings, unlimited auto webinars, screen sharing, webinar recording, etc. According to me, OTO 2 SpyView and OTO 5 MeetView are the best to purchase with ClickView, as you can create emails and send your traffic to automated and live webinars, and also you can grab competitors' ads, funnels, and email strategies, which will definitely help you to grow your business. So that's all about the price and OTOs. So what I like about ClickView, it works what it claims. I can trust nail on that. There are 10 DFI templates and hundreds of emails ready for you, which will save your time. You can make money by retargeting email ads. You can create emails with Instagram posts and other drag and drop elements which makes your emails more attractive to your customers. And also they are giving access to MailView, so you can send unlimited emails for 2 months. Okay, so for the coupon codes, please check the link in the description below, and also I have added the link for bonuses. You can check it in the description below. That's all about the video. Thank you so much for your time. If you are having any questions or comments, please let me know. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Now I am going to connect you to the vendor Neil Napier, and he will provide you the full demo and walkthrough.
Hey there, what's up? This is Neil Napier, and in this video I'll give you a walkthrough of ClickView. Now let me first preface this by telling you why we created ClickView. So when it comes to email marketing, emails tend to inbox into the ESPs, which is email service providers such as Gmail and Hotmail, Yahoo, and so on, depending on the reputation, of course, of the email sender, the IP address, but also about how the emails are actually going to render. So emails that are heavy or emails that don't look good, that have terrible user experience, don't tend to inbox very well over time. And most autoresponders rely on the old and archaic technology of using what we call simple HTML or plain text to put the emails in someone's inbox. And that is changing. Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo have consistently talked about how important user experience is when it comes to showing emails to people. So emails that have better user experience get more engagement, more opens, more clicks, and then in the future they're more likely to inbox as well. QlikView uses what is known as MJML technology, which was first created by Mailjet. It is open source. They have created this technology whereby developers can create beautiful mobile-first email templates, and that's exactly what QlikView does. It helps you create amazing mobile-first email templates. And the good part is, as long as you have an autoresponder that can accept HTML in template format, you can use this. And if you're wondering, hey, my autoresponder only has plain text capability, as I will show you, you can still use QlikView with it and get better inboxing, better open rates, and of course better clicks as well. This has been proved across multiple instances in our own platform, where we have compared our own platform's HTML to QlikView's design, QlikView's templates, and QlikView's designs and templates have converted even better. Now, before I get into it, I will also tell you this: most autoresponders can't switch to MJML overnight because it's an architectural change. So for ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, ConvertKit, and all these platforms to do MJML, they're going to need months of work. Fortunately, we're in a position where we've been able to create this from scratch fairly quickly, tested it thoroughly, and now we bring it to you. And here's how this works. So you go ahead and click on a new email. So I'm going to just put in a random email. For example, let's say I'm going to say QlikView recommendation, go save. So this is your email template. Now it's created. What you want to do is you want to pick one of the preset designs that we give to you, or you can also create one from scratch as well. So you've got 10 different designs over here, and I'll pick the basic white for now because we'll be able to customize this from here. Now, we've got different levels and such, and you can read all about that on the sales page, what you're getting with what level. But if you want to, let's say, add some text, you can drag and drop this block over here. Fairly simple. If you want to delete that, you can click here and get rid of that. Then you can also drop this Instagram post, YouTube video link as well. You can drop that too. For example, this is what it would look like. The video obviously doesn't play inside of the email. It can never do that, but people can see the thumbnail in that case. You also have location, image, countdown. Countdowns are amazing because when you want to introduce some sort of scarcity, you will be able to essentially get more sales by telling people that, hey, an offer is expiring and this is what you got to do. So you can do that using this particular feature. To edit any of these widgets, what you have to do is you have to go to settings, and as long as you clicked on this, for example, if I switch to this, you'll see that the effect here changes too. But right here, I can choose the end date, and I can also choose the size. I can also choose different attributes as well, which again, people will see. Then you've got a few other features over here. So let me just move this back up. You've got a few other features such as button, divider, spacer, and social media buttons. Social media buttons are great as well because they will help you drive more traffic to your social media. For example, I can link to my Facebook profile over here. I can also link to Instagram, for example, and Pinterest and other profiles as well. Now this, in effect, is simplest functionality of QlikView. If I want to add some text, let's say if I want to add some text over here, we've got some ready-made swipes to go as well. So you can click here, you can choose one of these emails that is available to you, and you can choose one or multiple emails. So for example, if I click over here, I can just drag and drop this right over here. So you can see, let me delete this. So you can see now that email is in place over here. You can edit it as you see fit. So with the QlikView license, we're also giving away 100 done for you emails in multiple niches. We've got some other modules as well, such as header, footer. Some of these, invoice all the way to banner, is part of the upgrade, just so you know. But like I said, with any element that you pick, you can go to settings and you can edit that as you see fit, you can change text, you can change fonts, you can do anything that you want. Now this of course is by far the simplest template that we're using, but it's also good because it's lightweight. So lightweight emails tend to inbox better as well. I can preview this now. So if I click here on preview, I can, well, first let me save this. Once I've saved it, I can preview it. I can see what it will look like. I can also check what it would look like on mobile, which again is very, very important because you want to be building for mobile first, and tablets, and of course computer screens as well. Let's go ahead and close preview. The next thing you need to do is you need to click on download and use the HTML output. Now HTML output is what gives you the code that you then need to put into your autoresponder. I'll show you how to do that in a second as well. But then you've got the MJML option and the JSON option. I wouldn't worry about it unless you're a developer, you're very technical and you want to use these templates in your own autoresponder that you are building from scratch. But in this case, let's click on HTML output and it's going to download the file. Now let's go ahead and bring this content into our autoresponder. So I'm just going to open this in our folder. All right, there we go. So right click here and open with a text file, right? Notepad or a text file is what you want. I'm just going to copy and paste this. So I've just copied this. I'm going to copy this again. Let's go back over here and I'm going to jump into our autoresponder and show you exactly what this looks like and show you exactly how this works. Right, I'm in Mailviewer right now. You can use, of course, any autoresponder as I mentioned for this. You're going to go ahead and create an email campaign, and again, it's different for every autoresponder. Do note, of course, that if you are getting ClickViewer on this page for a limited time, we're also giving away 2 months of Mailviewer included as part of your purchase. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and do a ClickViewer recommendation email. Just put this over here. Let's go to next step. So right now I'm inside our email creator. I've got a few options. I can of course build my own template based emails here, but as I just told you, we have tested it in ClickViewer. Formatted emails tend to inbox better, have more open rates, and of course as a result more click-through rates than say the other emails. So I'm going to go ahead and use the paste your code option. I'll paste the HTML code over here. So this is the code that ClickViewer template gave us. Go ahead and click save. Once it's done, then we'll see exactly what our email looks like. And then, like I said before, it will be the same as it was inside of ClickViewer. So there is the email, and as you can see, it is mobile responsive as well. It will look fine on mobile when it gets published there. You can, of course, go ahead and edit the email content, but do note now it is an HTML format, so it may not be that simple for you to edit it. So make sure any edits you need to make, you do so inside of ClickViewer. Then you can just go about emailing people as you would, and of course you can send a test email as well, and you can see what that would look like. I'm going to send a test email to a couple of my email addresses, and I'll show you what that looks like inside. There you go, that is email number 1. As you can see, it landed in here, and if I just turn on the images as well as I should, you can see everything that's within this, and of course you can remove this as well up on top if you want. So that's ClickViewer. So I want you to go ahead and use it to increase your email delivery, inboxing, open rates as a result of that, and of course your clicks as well that you get to your affiliate offers or any offers for that matter. And again, remember, you're also getting 2 months free of Mailviewer 25K account, which would typically cost you $134, but this is yours for free for a special time during the launch. It may not always be there, so if you don't see that, don't be surprised. It just means that the launch special has ended.